Gemini, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading about love or romantic love situation. Hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate or hindi po 100% accurate para sa'yo. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And please tap the bell for updates from this channel. Maraming salamat sa'yo, Gemini. Tingnan natin kung anong energy ng person mo towards you about love or romantic love situation. Gemini. Energy ng person mo towards you. Okay. Okay. So, Gemini, it seems na parang merong distance, no? Physical man or emotional distance for now, no? Sa inyong sitwasyon. Pwedeng you might be dealing with a Libra, Leo, King of Cups, maybe Scorpio, or pwedeng water sign, Scorpio, Cancer, Pisces, no? Okay. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, merong earth sign or dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Virgo, and Taurus. Okay. Okay. Gustong makipag-communicate ng person mo sa inyo, like gusto niya parang merong mutual understanding or merong coordination, merong communication sa inyong dalawa. Okay, mahal ka ng tao na to, Gemini. But it seems parang may problema because of time or distance. Okay? Yeah. So, your person is being patient right now or patiently waiting for you. Mukhang hindi kayo magkasama ng person mo, Gemini, for some of you. Okay? Yeah, gusto mo yung company ng tao na to, ng person mo, Gemini. Parang you're having fun with him or her. Okay, may fun times. There is celebration or going out together, vacation, something like that, no? But, for now, it's just parang you are imagining, no? Parang ang hirap para gawin yun sa ngayon for some of you. Okay, you're thinking about it pero parang merong problema when it comes to distance and time and chance. Yeah, chance for some of you. Okay, tingnan natin. Yeah, the Temperance. Okay, so your person is parang binabalanse niya lang ang kanyang emosyon. Siguro yung tao na to gusto kang makasama or gusto kang marinig or makausap or makita, something like that. But your person is patiently holding, no, his or her emotion. Parang patiently waiting for you. Okay, that's for some of you. But this person, Gemini, gustong-gusto ka ng tao na to. Parang para sa kanya great love ka or parang para sa kanya serious yung inyong connection or ang inyong relationship. Okay? Natin. Yeah, Four of Swords, no? Parang may pansamantalang pagpapahinga, no, ng inyong communication or inyong connection for some of you. But despite of that, hindi nawawala yung admiration or pagmamahal ng tao sa'yo, no, ng person na to, Gemini. Okay. So, your person is thinking about this. Parang gusto niya merong meron kayong pagkakasunduan or something agreement, no? He or she is thinking about this, no? Like maybe for a long term, no? Yeah. Long term na merong what do you call this? Merong stable na communication, may stable na relationship, no? Your person is thinking about security, no? In the relationship or connection. Okay? Also, your person is hoping, praying, thinking that you will communicate with him or her. Okay? Eight of Swords, yes. But it seems that your person parang walang magawa sa ngayon. He or she is powerless or hindi niya makontrol ang sitwasyon. Yeah. The Empress, let's see. Okay, so the person is heartbroken, no? Your person is heartbroken. He or she is hurting, no? Sa nangyayari sa inyong sitwasyon. Okay? So, parang nawawalan siya ng confidence, no, in the situation. Okay, at the same time, parang losing himself or herself over you, for some of you, no? Yeah, waiting again. So, your person is really waiting and hurting and disappointed at the same time. Okay? Yeah, looking forward, naglo-look forward siya na maybe for some of you, makausap ka or makita ka or makasama ka. Okay? And the problem is that parang may mga delays eh. Okay? Merong restrictions for some of you. Okay? Yeah. For some of you, the problem or the challenge is a third party. Okay? Merong third party energy. Okay? Yeah. Your person is trying to be happy, you know? Okay, taking care of himself or herself, no? Parang inaayos niya, inaalagaan niya yung sarili niya, but at the same time, nag-aantay din talaga siya sa'yo. It seems na yung person na to, yung kaligayahan niya is ikaw, no? Parang masaya siya if magbibigay ka ng oras at time sa kanya. Okay? Gemini. Pero strong yung person na to, no? Emotionally. Parang hindi niya din pinapakita na talagang gustong-gusto kanya or gusto kanya makita or makasama. But emotionally, this person, ikaw yung nagpapasaya sa kanya, Gemini. Okay? Yeah. Yes, definitely there is a conflict, no, in the situation because of the third party. Okay? Yeah. Parang may problema. It seems na parang walang chance, no? Or ang slim ng chance para magkasama or magkita kayo or magkaroon ng stability or security ang inyong connection. Okay? Yeah. Your person is being strong kung ano man itong mga conflict na to, no? Kung ano yung mga problema or issues in the connection or relationship. Yeah, King of Pentacles. Yeah. So, for some of you, Gemini, you are happy with this person. Okay? But it seems that parang merong conflict, no? There is another person here in the situation. Okay? Yeah. So, parang you want to be, maybe you are a provider, no? Maybe you have another person and you are providing that person or ikaw yung protector ng person na yon, or you have a long-term relationship with this person. Okay? This third party. Okay? Yeah. So, it seems na parang may conflict, may problema. That is the reason why kung bakit hanggang dreaming na lang or panaginip na lang to, you're thinking about this, but no physical na nangyayari. Like physical na pagkikita or alam mo yun, parang kulang sa oras because you are attending to another person. Okay? This is for some of you. Yung iba sa inyo, this person, no? Yeah, parang gusto mo yung long term ang inyong samahan, no? Parang happy times, being together, parang nagmamatch kayo, masaya kayong dalawa, okay? So, this is how you feel about this person here. But, yeah, but there is a third party, there is a conflict, 3 of Swords and the 5 of Wands, no? There is competition, okay? Just take what resonates for you and leave the rest kung hindi para sa inyo. Okay? Page of Cups, yes. Yeah. Walang communication. Okay? Parang merong problem about this. It seems na merong block, merong conflict. There is again, there is another person involved, no? So that is why you are dreaming about this person, you want to see him or her, communicate, but then, ang hirap kasi merong isang tao, no, na involved that you are with, Gemini, for some of you, okay? Just take what resonates. Minsan baliktad yung situation, no? Yung person mo, yung my other person, okay? Or maybe both of you have meron kayong mga partners, no? Yeah. Okay. So, this is something na parang kailangan bigyan ng solusyon. You are hoping, no? Both of you, you are hoping na magkaroon ng chance, ng opportunity to see each other, magkaroon ng coordination, no? Or cooperation sa isa't isa, working together as a couple, no? Towards your goal, no, as a couple, no, pagkikita, pagsasama, enjoying the moment, something like that. All right, so ito yung energy, Gemini. King of Cups, the Four of Cups, the Four of Pentacles, and the Nine of Wands. So, Gemini, although you love this person, pero hindi mo na-express freely, no, yung iyong nararamdaman, you are keeping it to yourself, no, because it is difficult on your part, on your side. Yung parabang hindi free mong magawa yung gusto mong gawin with this person, gusto mong makipagkita, pero parang hindi pwede, gusto mong matawagan or makausap, parang kailangan mo pang mag-ingat. Yeah, Nine of Wands, mag-ingat. Also, same with your person here. Okay? Your person is waiting for you, binabalanse niya ang sitwasyon, naiisip ka niya, feeling niya wala siyang magawa in the situation, he or she is heartbroken because of a third party, waiting siya, hoping na mag-nurture, mag-grow ang inyong relationship. Okay? Parang ikaw yung kasiyahan niya. But then, merong competition involved, no? Yeah. Parang hindi mo siya mabigyan ng tamang oras para sa kanya. For some of you, Gemini. Because you are attending to another person. Okay? But you love this person, Gemini. It's just that parang hindi mo lang siya nabigyan ng deserve niya na oras, no? Or attention. Yeah. Four of Pentacles. Okay. So, parang yung result is you will just love each other secretly or hidden. Something like that. You both love each other. You want to see each other, no? Pero hindi siya ma-express or magawa freely, no? Wala kayong parang freedom, something like that. Because of the Four of Pentacles and the Nine of Wands, Three of Swords, Five of Wands, okay? Two of Cups. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So, I think one of you or you, Gemini, make a contact or communicate, express that you love this person, okay? So, if you are holding back for some of you, maybe it's time for you because this person here is waiting for you. Maybe you can at least express how you feel to him or her, okay? Communicate, no? Or some of you, no? Parang merong someone needs to reach out, no? Para magkaroon ng communication. Okay? For some of you, you need to seek advice when it comes to the matters of the heart. Alright? Yeah. Four of Pentacles. Yeah, for some there is legal issues, King of Swords, no? That's why you are keeping your energy, you are holding back, no? Yeah. Maybe for some of you, you are protecting this person. That is why there is a Four of Pentacles. Okay? Yeah. So, parang it seems na parang mahirap talaga yung situation, no? Because of the Nine of Wands. Yung parang kailangan mong mag-ingat. But yet, you love this person. Mahal mo yung tao na to. Pero parang ang hirap kasi nga, parang merong restriction at merong someone na involved, no? In the situation. Parang tatlo. Okay? Hindi lang kayong dalawa, kundi may isa pa. Okay? Yeah. Here, and maybe your person also has another person here sa side niya. Alright? So, up to now, parang you're thinking about dreaming, about meeting together, no? Magkaroon ng renewal or resurgence ang inyong pagmamahalan, ang connection ninyong dalawa, merong healing, no? Or paghilom sa inyong sitwasyon, kung difficult ang inyong sitwasyon. Okay? So, Gemini, these are the messages for you. Ito yung mga energy na lumalabas. Just take what resonates. Minsan baliktad. Depende sa inyo. Maraming salamat and see you on the next video. Bye!